Oh, it will stick nga. Tissue will stick. You're not believing in me. So that's paper. Should have pictured you. Hold the heart. Where's the heart? Where's the heart? Show me the heart, please. The tiny. Look. What you see?
Anong
It's kind of like a circle.
Yeah, huh? Will you drink water, huh? That's too sweet. Saan mo nakuha yung circle?
Po? Para hindi ko po tayo alam eh. Nakita ko lang po ngayon. Kanina wala po yan.
Dapat ang nililik mo yung sa back.
So it'll be easier.
Pagdating ko
to
po,
color.
nandyan na po.
Hindi ko po napansin. Sa back yung nililik. Ano taste?
Sweet and great.
Careful with the needle, ha? 2 years ka na sa needle. It's melting. No, tigas. Not yet. Baliktad, baby, baliktad. Baliktad, andito yung sharp. It will break.
What?
It will break.
The whole one?
Tingnan mo kung saan ka matusok. Baliktad yan, baliktad. Tingin ko. Ayan, like that.
Like, what's gonna break?
That, the circle.
Everything?
I don't know.
That's honeycomb.
Ano honeycomb?
This one.
Bakit ganito ang hirap naman?
Wala, dinitin na sa
Hindi
dami ko.
pwedeng makain niyo ng pagkain sila.
Nakain ka na kanin?
Hindi tayo ng snack.
Gosh, it hurts a lot.
Gusto mo ulit yung sandwich o hindi?
Yung ano lang, pita-pita. Makakapagtanggal lang. Sabi na naman, oh, bakit ayaw magbukas? Babatuin kita eh. Ang dali-dali nitong...
Look at this!
I saw it. You're baking cookies, right?
That's not any regular cookies.
That's your cookies.
That's dalgona candy.
Dalgona candy.
Gosh. So hard!